Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sorry for no content for a little while. Life's got in the way and I've been a little bit busy sorting out getting back to work and stuff. So this video is a big thank you to John Kennedy for sending me some stuff from the States, which includes the Geo mug, cooker and lid over there. And also to Max Outdoors for his Firestones, which we're going to test today. And I'm going to make myself and Maya a coffee. So we'll get on with it. Okay, so I filled the cup up with water, and this is what we're going to be using as a fire source today. These are, if I can get it to focus, Max Outdoors, or Out with Max Firestones. I'll put a link to the description to Max's channel to go and check him out. And if you want to order some of these, I do believe he has them for sale. They're a great little piece of kit. I've got White Spirit in mine. You can use Myths or any other highly vaporizable fuel. Sorry, so that's what they look like. I've put a piece of plastic in them, in the pot, to help them come out, hopefully. I'm going to need both hands, sorry guys. Okay, so these are the stones out of the packaging. That's what they look like, and they are lit, I think. There you go. And then they should sit very nicely. Okay, should have tested that beforehand. Easy to put out, just blow on them. Side by side, I think. That might be better. Right, and then they fit under there. So now I have something to boil water with that isn't that is easily portable, and as you can see, burning rather nicely. They're an amazing bit of kit. I'm not sure what they're made of, you'll have to ask him. I'm not that technically minded. They are a little bit smoky, but I'm assuming that could be because I'm using White Spirit and not Myths. I think Myths burns a little cleaner. But yeah, it's that easy. They're awesome little bits of rock. Like I said before, I will put a link in the description for both John's channel. So again, thank you, John, for the stuff from the States. Really appreciated it. And thank you, Max, for the stones. Very reasonably priced for what you get, and they're a cool bit of kit. I have to admit, I'm really impressed with these stones. And apparently they'll burn for up to about 12 minutes. So that's plenty of time to get you a rolling boil and make yourself a coffee like I intend to do today, because I'm really thirsty. I needed some caffeine. Oh, and when you first get these stones, soak them twice, because they will absorb an awful lot of fluid. That was one of the tips that Max gave me, which I have done, by the way. Let's have a look at this water. See how we're getting on. Well, it's warming up already. It's not boiling yet, but it's certainly warm. as you can see, I've gone and got my gloves purely and simply because we're mucking around with stuff that creates heat, and I don't really want to burn my hand on these. Yeah, so thank you very much again, John, for an awesome piece of kit. I've been trying to get my hands on one of these GI stove units for a long time, and you've really helped me out, so I appreciate that, brother. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually raining today, so this is why I'm on the back step. I was going to do it outside and do another video project that I've got coming up. Thanks to Mick and Kaz from Hampshire Outdoors and Survival, with a lot of help and guidance from Bosun Dan Bushcraft. That will be my lamp restorations. I've got a couple of paraffin lamps that I'm doing up, and I've got new bits for. So I just need some paraffin, tidy them up, clean them up. I will video it all and put it up. But yeah, it's pretty sick. It's going to be a good little project, something to get my teeth into, and hopefully then have a nice paraffin lamp, pair of paraffin lamps to light my nights and keep away the bugs. So that's 2 cups of coffee made, and that was a full pot of water. There's a little bit left in it, but they're still going. I mean, they're going very slightly, but they're still going. So that was about 10 minutes or so of constant burn. And like I said, these things are really easy to put out. You just blow on them, and that's it. They're out. And now just let them cool down. Once they've cooled, it takes about 5 minutes. Once they've cooled down, we'll then put them back in the pot, add some more white spirit to it. Careful, because that's got white spirit in. We'll add a little bit more white spirit to it so the stones can reabsorb, and then you're golden, you're good to go. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share, and go and check out Outdoor with Max and John Kennedy. I'll put links in the description. So yeah, see you soon.